Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, one of our hosts, what's his name again?
His name is Craigie T.
Yeah, him.
CT.
That one there.
Yeah. Craig Thompson.
He mentioned this artist's album launch on Tuesday, and today he's actually in studio, and he's going to talk to us about the album and so much more.
Yeah.
Welcome to Daytime Live. 450.
450.
Yeah.
So since him loaded it up so much, let's start with that. Where did the name come from?
Alright, so 450 kind of derived from just me wanting to stand out. I have a name that's unusual, something that you could have just see it and be like, yo, that's different.
Yeah.
You get me? So I kind of create the idea of my date of birth. So the April the 5th, 2000, I'm kind of chop it up and
Oh.
See
so
it?
the fourth month,
Yeah.
5th day, and the 0.
Oh, but like somebody give you $500, you lost $50, and then just say, just got you $450 after that.
Nah.
Nice, I see it. No, we can't forget your birthday after this.
All right, so Pieces of Me, this is your album.
Debut album.
A debut album. It's a powerful title to go Pieces of Me. Why that title name, and why does it mean so much to you?
Alright, so as the name suggests, Pieces of Me is just me expressing different sides, different emotions of me personally. So giving the fans and music listeners on a whole a deeper insight into who 450 is and what he's about and his mindset. Yeah.
And this is the album cover?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Which track on the album would you say you have closest to your heart?
That would be track 1, Pieces of Me. The album is named after that track.
Yeah.
That's just a song where I kind of reflect. You get what I say? I mean, when the fans hear it, they will get a better understanding.
Right,
Yeah.
right. I love that. Okay.
Producers who worked on the album?
Yeah, big up and producer them. Weekday, Javi, Falcon, Iconics, DHW. Yeah.
Was there anything in the process, whether it's interacting with the producers, making a song, anytime in the studio, that they could say, hey, these moments of making my debut album really stick out to me?
If I tell you at the time, it may be a line to you. So each song have its own vibe, and I just remember each song having its own magical moment, just
Right.
the whole creation process.
You want enough to be the most.
Probably Pieces of Me. As I said, that's my favorite song right now.
Right.
So, yeah, the whole creation of that. I mean, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning, link weekday, and I just had some things on my mind, and I just want to put out on a track, and we go studio like 2 o'clock that morning there, and just met the rhythm on the spot, freestyle it in like an hour, the booth, record it, and we just know, say, yo, this was the song for the album. Yeah.
It sounds like you went to a vulnerable place to create Pieces of Me, not just the song, but the whole album. That's admirable.
Yeah.
So you had a listening party in Kingston recently. You're planning to have any more, and where?
Yes, Miami and New York.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, when?
So Miami is going to be the 25th and New York the 28th.
Okay.
How many tracks are on the album?
16.
60. How long it took you to put together the entire album?
I'd say a couple months.
Yeah?
Yeah, a couple months.
You have any features on the album?
Steph London.
Hey.
Just Stefan?
Yeah.
Me don't need nobody else.
But Stefan never tell me so when Stefan left the house, Stefan never tell me such a
That's okay. Me don't need nobody
Just get up
else.
out of the house,
That alone
Tell me
is it for me.
Tell me say go to the supermarket and for son to the punch.
Yeah, because
How dare
Steph London,
she?
Yeah, we
she's
need a
done.
great track together.
I can't wait to hear that one. Yes, big up Steph in many ways than one. So, which brings me to, if somebody's watching right now and they're hearing about the album, whether they're a fan or not, can you give them one of those reasons they should actually start to pre-save that album right now?
It's good music.
Yeah.
It's impactful music. It's music that can get you through different situations in your life, I believe. And yeah, it's 450.
Yeah.
Pieces of
450.
They say Pieces of Me. If like, for instance, so do you have like tracks that are focused, like they can say the general them can say, hey, you will draw more to this song, and the ladies.
Definitely, it's diverse.
Yeah. There's something for everybody.
Yeah.
Like for her, which song would I suggest for her?
The one with Steph London.
Just cool, no man, make him to answer your album.
That's true.
Thank you.
Steph London.
That's right.
Leave. Okay, we got this.
Okay.
So, 450, here what we have some rapid fire questions. So we're gonna ask you the question and it's the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay? All right, ready? What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Brush my teeth, wash my face. I think that should be the standard.
One word to describe the album.
Impactful.
Lovely. Dancehall or reggae on a Sunday morning?
Big up reggae. I'm strictly dancehall.
All right. All right.
What is your guilty pleasure song?
Guilty pleasure song, what do you mean by that?
Like the song that you will play this song over and over and over. You love this song.
Good question.
It could be like somebody else don't like it, but it's a year. You can say, me love this song. I don't care if nobody else don't like it, me love that song.
I don't know, you know. I couldn't tell you. I mean, I listen a lot of music. I listen.
Right, diverse.
Yeah, I don't really have a song like that.
All right.
I know you.
Across the
right.
spectrum, you know?
Yes, I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
All right, favorite Jamaican dish?
Curry shrimp cone.
You don't want to curry shrimp count.
Wait, I wouldn't bother again. April 5, my Aries.
If you could collab with any artist, dead or alive, who? I can give me one. I can give me one dead, one alive.
Riri?
Riri?
Cool. Who is the funniest or most comedic person in your crew?
Dino crazy.
Dino.
Each on that one.
Dino mad. Clarks or sneakers?
Sneakers.
All right. Beach day or a night at the studio?
Studio.
Of course.
Definitely.
Okay.
What's one thing most fans don't know about you?
Probably that I'm very introverted. I think they must see me out a lot in public or at a show or somewhere doing something, but for my time off, I'm at home, you know? It's relaxed. That's my personality.
Yeah, that actually doesn't surprise me. Yeah. Okay. Well, it was nice having you.
It was a pleasure.
Yes, man.
Me not gonna say that,
birthday.
She will say that. Me
Oh
not gonna.
boy, I can't wait to hear the album, especially the Steph London song. You know,
Like
because
that.
I like Steph London.
Yeah.
So, Pieces of Me will be out on May 30. So please support. Thank you so much. Please come back because you have to perform one and two of the track, you know.
Definitely.
Bring Steph London. Better yet, me carry her come in.
You'll carry her come.
Yeah, man, we carry her.
All right, Daytime Live, we'll be right back. And when we come back,
We got music from Nigerian artist Chella.